All the crops we grow in our vertical farm using aeroponic towers have their roots intact when harvested except for certain crops such as kale, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Each type of crop has distinct root characteristics. Spring onions and leeks have bright white roots, parsley tends to develop brownish roots, and chard can exhibit yellow or even red roots. The process begins with a seedling, like this basil seedling that we transplant into the tower. Within 2 weeks, you'll see significant root growth, and in another 4 weeks, the roots will reach their full size. In our aeroponic system, plant roots dangle freely, suspended in the air for about 80% of the time. During the remaining 20% of the time, they are irrigated with a nutrient-enriched water. This method allows for 100% oxygen availability at the root level, enabling the plants to absorb more nutrients, which accelerates the growth and increases their size. This is one of the reasons why many of our crops grow to be exceptionally large. Some plants, like fennel, develop such strong, woody roots that they are nearly impossible to harvest like leafy greens. For those, we need to disassemble the tower section by section to extract the plant. The root size of each crop also determines how many plants we can fit into each section. Leafy greens and herbs can be planted in every growing port, but crops like cabbage, cauliflower, and zucchini are limited to 2 plants per section. For larger crops with extensive root systems such as cucumbers or tomatoes, we can only accommodate 1 plant per section to prevent overcrowding.